Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Plano. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 3 miles from the Plano Convention Center, this motel offers each guest room a flat-screen cable TV. Free Wi-Fi is provided in every room at Red Roof Inn Plano. Guests can enjoy the on-site laundry facilities and free parking. The Dallas city center is 20 miles from this motel. The John F. Kennedy Memorial Plaza can be reached in 25 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.